And thank you so very much, Lateef, for having the faith in us. And I really hope we tread the long mile. Thank you so much.
भाई साहब,
Excuse me.
ये चल रहा है कि नहीं?
हाँ.
Also, just taking it a bit further and elucidating on what Neha had to say regarding the products. You know, we've endorsed products for you know, a lot of people, and I take the carte blanche of even speaking for Neha. And the only difference being that for Best Deal TV and the products that we are leveraging our name for here on our channel is that there is an added onus, because you know, it's not just a product, we're also partners in the product. So everything from the inception stage to what the product does is endorsed by us. So here we're not just taking money and, you know, just posing for the product. There's a lot of work that goes behind the scenes by the celebrities themselves, you know, when it comes to, you know, even okaying the Alchemy and extensions. There was a lot of input by Neha, and I just think that, you know, you said so many nice things about me, I don't know where to begin with you. It's just and she's such a wonderful girl that, you know, it really takes a very secure person to say such lovely things about someone else. So that's a huge compliment.
Shilpa and Neha, this is Ekta from Z. I want to know that, you know, you guys are trying your level best to give best deals when it comes to your channel. But when you guys started considering that you are not from filmy families, was it expensive to be an actor? Because, you know, you have to project yourself in a certain light, be it clothes or lifestyle or whatever.
I really thank the stylists that have been introduced into our lives at this point. Firstly, it was really cumbersome to stand in front of the wardrobe and choose what you've not worn before, because you've got the fashion police ready to shoot you down. But all said and done, I've totally digressed. What was the real question?
Was it expensive to be an actress?
It is expensive when you have to go and buy your own clothes and make sure that you make a style statement, and at the same time, you know, you're doing something different and setting a trend. But I think, you know, it really depends on how seriously you take it. So there are times where I've repeated stuff and I honestly have reached a point where I don't care. But Neha is truly a fashion goddess, so actually you should be asking her this question. Yeah, she's always so well turned out. It's annoying after a point.
Hi. The gentleman over there. Yeah.
Hi, my question is to Neha and Shilpa. What is your take on in-film branding, where you have actresses in films or actors in films who are endorsing a product, and most of the time it is actually very forced and comical. So do you agree to that, and what is your take?
I think they do that because it's some way of kind of recovering, you know, the investment that you've put into the movie. So that's the easiest way out. But if I did a movie, they'd have to make sure that those products are sold on Best Deal TV. So it could be a conflict of interest, but I don't know. What do you have to say there? Well, I have a different take. So no, I agree with the fact that selling a film is harder. But I think when you choose a product, when you choose a movie, you're doing it because, you know, you like the character, and, you know, it's you have a different role to play. When you're doing a product, it has to be synonymous with you. At least that's the way I look at it. So I don't do a product that's not synonymous with me, that I don't agree with. You know, the philosophy of it has to be
For having the faith in us. And I really hope we tread the long mile. Thank you so much.